EWKR program includes a fish theme, and the fish theme, one of the main projects there is to understand the types of conditions that fish require to survive as young fish.
The project is focusing on improving our understanding of the way that flow influences fish. And there are two broad ways that we think flow does this, both directly through the creation of habitat and providing opportunities for them to move between areas. But the other key way that we think that flow influences fish is through the provision of food.
Fish are a key target for improvement under the Basin Plan. Fish populations across the Murray-Darling Basin have declined significantly over the last 50 to 100 years, and many of our native species are currently vulnerable or threatened. So the goal is for managers to be able to manage water so that they can increase fish populations, or at the very least to maintain them.
So the thing that makes it great for little fish is temperature, the right type of temperature ultimately, and also the types of food, the right amounts and the right types of food.
Food availability and temperature are probably the two biggest drivers of successful fish recruitment. Temperature is a key driver of food being available. Also, it helps for fish to grow really quickly, so in a warmer environment a fish will grow faster, and the faster a fish can grow, the quicker it can eat a whole range of different things because its mouth is bigger, and it's also better able to get away from predators if it's larger.
That early life stage of fish is the most critical probably for all of those stages for producing a new population of fish. It's at that young stage where you get thousands, sometimes millions of young produced, but only a few surviving. We want to know why and how those young survive. We're putting data loggers in the water, both top and bottom, to get an idea about the temperature and how that changes. We're also sampling the zooplankton that's in the water because that's the key resource for little fish.
If managers have got some sort of idea about the sorts of areas, not just the specific locations, but also the sorts of scales which they need to be managing the landscape for, so that they can make sure that there are these recruitment areas that are available for larval fish, then it's going to maximise the chances of achieving recruitment outcomes with environmental flows.
So by focusing on these, we're hoping to provide advice to managers about not just how individual flows influence fish populations, but how flow regimes over the long term can be used to sustain or improve fish stocks within the basin.